Hello friends, in this video I'll show you 40 by 60 site floor plan of 4 BHK duplex plus 2 BHK house plan. This is the ground floor plan and this is the first floor plan. Welcome to house plan. In this video I'll show you 40 by 60 site floor plan of 4 BHK duplex house plus 2 BHK single portion house. Plan of 2 floors facing upside is east. Towards east we have number of floors G plus 1. Main door entrance is provided towards east facing. This is ground floor plan and this is the first floor plan. Let's see details of ground floor plan. This is the ground floor. Length of site is 60 feet and width of site is 40 feet. This is east direction. This is west direction. This is south direction. This is the north direction. Towards south 3 feet 6 inch offset is provided. Towards west 3 feet offset is provided. Towards north also 3 feet offset is provided. Towards north rear gardening is provided of width 8 feet. This is portico of size 12 feet by 33 feet. This is 2 BHK portion house and this is the duplex level 1 portion house. Let's see the 2 BHK house plan. Towards north entrance is provided. This is the living area of size 13 feet 4 inch by 8 feet 4 inch. Here puja room is provided of size 4 feet by 3 feet 4 inch. This is the kitchen of size 6 feet 6 inch by 8 feet 8 inch. Here in kitchen attached storeroom is provided of size 4 feet by 2 feet 4 inch. This is the dining area of size 8 feet 8 inch by 6 feet 10 inch. Dining area, one wash basin is provided. This is the master bedroom of size 8 feet 7 inch by 12 feet. Master bedroom have attached toilet of size 8 feet 3 inch by 6 feet. This is another bedroom of size 8 feet 6 inch by 10 feet 10 inch. For this bedroom also one toilet is provided of size 4 feet 3 inch by 5 feet 8 inch. Let's see duplex house floor plan. This is the entrance door for the duplex house provided towards east direction. This is sit out area for the duplex of size 14 feet 6 inch by 4 feet. Here 2 feet width shoe rack is provided. This is the living area of size 13 feet 2 inch by 12 feet by 12 feet 2 inch. This is puja room of size 4 feet by 5 feet. This is the kitchen area of size 10 feet by 10 feet. Here in kitchen, in shape slab is provided. Attached to kitchen, back side of kitchen, our dining table of size 19 feet 2 inch by 10 feet 7 inch. In dining area, one back door is provided for the utility area. This is staircase of steps with 3 feet which connects the duplex level to of house. Here have a toilet. Here have one common toilet of size 6 feet 6 inch by 5 feet. This with the ground floor consists of one bedroom. Here 3 feet 2 inch passage is provided. This is the bedroom of size 10 feet by 12 feet. Ground floor have a garden area of size 13 feet by 8 feet. Let's see details of first floor plan. Through the staircase, we enter into level Pent level 2 of duplex house. This is lobby area of size 6 feet 4 inch. Through this, we enter into family area. This is family area of size 13 feet 6 inch by 13 feet. Here cutout is provided of size 10 feet 2 inch by 12 feet. That means in ground floor slab we have provided cutout here. Here back door is provided towards north. This is sit out area of size 8 feet 9 inch by 13 feet 5 inch. This is the master bedroom of size 15 feet by 12 feet. Master bedroom now attached toilet of size 6 feet 6 inch by 5 feet. This is the wardrobe provided in L shape. This is second bedroom in level 2 of duplex house of size 12 feet 4 inch by 12 feet 6 inch. Attached toilet of size 4 feet 6 inch by 7 feet. This is the dressing area of size 4 feet 6 inch by 5 feet 2 inch in L shape wardrobe is provided here. This is the third bedroom in level 2 of size 13 feet by 11 feet 8 inch. This is a attached toilet of size 7 feet by 5 feet. Here also L shape wardrobe space is provided. All outer walls are 6-inch solid concrete blocks. Walls are provided and all inner walls are 4-inch thick solid block walls. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel to get latest updates. See you in the next video.